Welcome my student. Today we are going to study practice set 26. Let's study the first problem. My dear student, number in index form is given. It is 3 raised to 4. Here base is 3 and index is 4. So we can write the multiplication form in this way. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. We will multiply the base itself. Here base is 3. So we have multiplied the base itself and index is 4. So we have to multiply it by 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can find the value also. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 is base multiplied by 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find the value. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So we can find the value as 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. My dear student, again the second number is given in the form of 16 raised to 3. So my dear student, here 16 is base and index is 3. My dear student, we can write its multiplication form. We'll take base. What is base? 16. Index is 3. So we have to multiply 16 3 times. 16 into 16 into 16. And if we multiply 16 into 16 into 16, we will get the answer 4096. The third example, my dear student, we will consider. Here base is given in bracket because the base has a minus sign. So we will write base as it is minus 8. The index is given 2, so we will write here 2. Now it can be read as minus 8 raised to 2. Now my dear student, we will write the base minus 8 and we will consider the index. Index is 2. So 2 times we have to multiply minus 8. So minus 8 into minus 8. My dear student, 8 8s are 64 and minus minus will become plus. So the answer is 8 8s are 64 minus minus plus. My dear student, in the next form only multiplication form is given. So first we will see the number which is multiplied by itself again and again. 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. So the same number is multiplied again and again and that same number will be base. So base will be 3 by 7. How many times it is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4. So index will be 4. So in the form of index we can write base as 3 by 7 and as it is a fraction we have to put a bracket to it and index we will write 4. We can read it in this way. 3 by 7 raised to 4. Now my dear student, if you want to find the value, we have to multiply all the numerator and all the division. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81. So we have taken it 81 in the numerator. Now the denominator we have to multiply. 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49, 49 into 49 gives us 2401 and that we have taken in the denominator. My dear student, in the next number is given us in the form. This we can read as minus 13 raised to 4. So base will be minus 13. Index will be 4. base is multiplied again and again. So what is base? Minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13. We can write it as minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13. Minus minus will become plus, minus minus will become plus, and the answer we will get. And if we multiply 13 into 13, 13 into 13, we get 28,561, and the answer will be positive because minus minus will become plus, minus minus will become plus. Let's consider the second exercise. Find the value of first 2 raised to 10. Base is given 2, so we have to multiply base again and again. So we will multiply base again and again. My dear student, the base is 2 and the index is 10, so we have to multiply base again and again for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. We can write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 4 the 16. 4 4 the 16. We can write 16 into 16 into 4. My dear student, when we multiply 16 into 16 into 4, we get 1024 as a answer, and therefore the value of 2 raised to 10 is 1024. The next problem which is given to us is 5 raised to 3. My dear student, here we have 5 as base, and therefore we have to multiply base again and again. So we will write 5 into 5 into 5. My dear student, here index is 3, so we have multiplied 5 3 times. 5 5 is 25 into 5 is equal to 125. My dear student, the value of 5 raised to 3 is 125. My dear student, here we have minus 7 raised to 4, and as we have the base negative, so we have used bracket. So the base is minus 7, so we will take minus 7 and multiply it again and again. So here we have taken minus 7 and multiply it again and again. We have index as 4, so we have multiplied the base, that is minus 7 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus minus will become plus, minus minus will become plus. 7 7 the 49 plus 49 into 7 7 the 49, and minus minus will become plus, so again it will be plus 49. My dear student, here if we multiply 49 into 49, we get 2401. So my dear student, the value of minus 7 raised to 4 is 2401. My dear student, the next question which is given to us is minus 6 raised to 3. My dear student, here we have base as minus, so we have put it into bracket. So the base will write again and again. But here the base is minus 6. So we will put minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. Here the index is 3. So we have put the base, that is minus 6 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now we will multiply. Minus minus will become plus. So minus 6 into minus 6. 6 6 are 36. Minus minus become plus into minus 6. This minus 6 we have taken down. So 36 into 6 we get 216. Plus minus will become minus. So my dear student, the value of minus 6 raised to 3 is minus 216. My dear student, here the next number which is given to us is 9 raised to 3. The base is 9. So we will multiply 9 again and again. 9 into 9 into 9. Here index is 3. So we have multiplied 9 3 times. So 9 nines are 81 into 9, and 81 into 9 is 729. Therefore, my dear student, 9 raised to 3, the value of 9 raised to 3 is 729. My dear student, 8 raised to 1, the answer will be 8. 1 means multiplied by the base is multiplied again and again. So base we have taken, and again and again when we multiply, index is 1. So we have to put multiply it. We have to keep it at one time only, and therefore the answer will be 8. My dear student, here we have a fraction, and to this fraction we have put a bracket, and the bracket tells us that 3 belongs to both 4 and 5, and together 4 by 5 bracket 3. So 3 belongs to the fraction 4 by 5. My dear student, here we have base 4 by 5 and index 3. This number in the form of index can be read as 4 by 5 raised to 3. 4 by 5 raised to 3. So we will take base 4 by 5 and multiply it again and again. Index we have 3. So we have multiplied the base 4 by 5 again and again. 1, 2, 3. Now my dear student, here we have to multiply numerator and denominator. So here if we consider these two numbers, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. So we have taken the value in numerator and denominator respectively into 4 by 5. My dear student, here also we have to do the same thing. We have to multiply numerator and denominator. So here if we multiply 16 into 4, we get 64, and 25 into 5, we get 125. So my dear student, the value of 4 by 5 raised to 3 is 64 by 125. My dear student, here again we have a fraction, and this fraction is in the form of negative number, and the number is given in the form of index. So we can read it in this form: minus 1 by 2 raised to 4. So we will take the base. Here my dear student, base is multiplied again and again, and here base is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 2. Here my dear student, we have multiplied base again and again. What is the index? 4. So 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4 is equal to. Now again, my dear student, we have to multiply numerator and denominator. Minus will become plus. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 to the 4. Minus will become plus. Into 1 1 the 1. 2 to the 4. Minus and minus will become plus. So my dear student, now again we'll find out the value. 1 1 the 1 and 4 4 the 16. My dear student, the value of minus 1 by 2 raised to 4 is 1 by 16.